Hello everyone, it's me Hope, and today's exercise is to help those who want to improve their tonality, to be able to sing a full song and stay on the notes as well as the key. So today I'm going to start a few exercises. I'll sing it first and then I'll play it again for you to sing along. Okay? Now I'm going to sing. Do, mi, la, sol, re, fa, la, sol, do, ti, re, do. Now I'm going to play it again and you will sing along. Ready? Did you get it? Well, you can always replay it again, practice until you perfect it. Well done.